baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to get all glam. We're gonna do our makeup. We're gonna get ourselves right today, okay? Yesterday, the other day, I did this wig review and I did my makeup and I'm like, oh my god, I should have recorded this look. You guys know I love my soft glams more than anything. I love to work with colorful shadows and all of that, but I really enjoy my soft glams more than anything. Like, that's just like me, you know? It's like I really, real life, enjoy doing my soft glams because I just feel like, I don't know, I just really into the soft but beat type of looks. Like, don't get me wrong, I do the colorful looks. Like, I kind of like, I try my best to be more versatile with the makeup tutorials, and you know, just for you guys, because I know a lot of people want to see glam, soft glam, and some people probably want to see dramatic glams, you know. So I try my best to give a variety of a lot of different looks, you know. So I don't know if you guys can notice, but I definitely, well, Bae helped me pluck my brows, y'all, because they were really kind of growing back a little bit under there. But I definitely needed to shape my brows and pluck them a little bit because, y'all, I'm so hairy and I was starting to get a unibrow. But they're definitely looking really good. And I thank her for helping me with these. So shout out to Bae for helping me get my brows, my life together. I am not going to set my eyelids. I don't believe I set my eyelids for my eyeshadow, so I'm not going to do that. I believe, yeah, I don't even know what eyeshadow palette I took, but I have an idea of what I did take. And I took the color OG or New Yorker, and they came on, it looked on my eye like it was mauve. In the palette it looks like a brown, like a nude brown, but it didn't come off that way when I put it on my eye, which is so interesting. I don't remember using anything else, but I do have this Morphe James Charles palette, and it does have the same color that I used on my eye. It looks completely the same, so I'm just going to use this shadow just to be safe. And it's right here from the James Charles palette. It literally matches my shirt, and I took it above my eyelid space, so above the eyelid space. And I just simply made sure that the color was packed it in, and then I started blending. I'm taking this neutral shade right here. It's a nude, and I put that right on my lid space. So super simple. I just packed it on. Okay, for concealer, I'm using my Juvia Place Concealer, and this is in the shade 14. I'm taking is my L'Oreal Infallible concealers, and I'm taking both of these. One is in caramel and one is in caramel, and then one is in pecan, and I'm putting caramel on top. These are the two colors I took to do my brows with. I'm just taking the rest of the concealer down the bridge of my nose, and I'm also going to take the pecan on top, and I'm going to blend this out. And the pecan shade is lighter, and it's just highlighting under my eye. A little on my forehead and chin. And that's it for concealer, and I'm just going to blend the rest of this out. Okay, so I'm taking my Maybelline loose setting powder in the shade medium deep 30, and I'm going to set the concealer, and then we're gonna go to the next step. Y'all, I did realize that my glue from my eyelash landed on my eyelids, and I'm just so annoyed with that. So I didn't even realize that I see. I didn't even realize that in the video when I was doing my face, but now since I'm editing right now, I'm realizing it and it's really bothering me, and I'm so mad I didn't fix it. So don't pay attention to that. Everything else is great. I'm going to make sure that I press and sweep this color in. Press and sweep, press and sweep. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poorless powder. This is in Coconut 355, and this is going to set the remaining of my face. So where the areas that I didn't set. I'm taking my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark. I'm going to take from the Amrezy palette, I'm going to take a little bit of the 1988. So this shade right here, 1988, I'm going to take a little bit of that under my eye from the Amrezy Anastasia palette. Feeling broken hearted over something that never was. Never was, never was. Ooh, I thought. Now, honey, we're gonna take blush, and y'all, this is really what's going to like make this look come in. And I'm using my favorite blush palette, which is the Juvia Place Saharan Volume 2 blush palette. Right now at the moment is my favorite. And I took this right here, which is, as you guys can see, is going to go so well with this look. And what I've liked about this blush is that it's subtle, it's not too much, so you can put on as much as you want and it's still not gonna look crazy, but still be careful. And what I did was I kind of like dragged out of the blush as if it's like bronzer or some contour, and I just dragged it upward so you guys can see that. And then I'm taking my Morphe mist. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. Hard to be your friend when you act this way. I'm using my Never Nude by Wet n Wild. And I took a little bit of the other color, which is Bare It All. Bare It All is much of a mauve. This one is more of a lighter nude. So I should have took this one first, then that on top, but it's okay. I'm taking this one on top. Then I'm just going to top it over with some NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in Fortune Cookie. Just a little bit of this. And boom, okay. I know. Period. And we are complete. Like, this look is so pretty. It's so pretty. This is like probably going to be my new go-to look. I kind of already use these tones for like my go-to looks already, but like this really is doing something with this hair too. Like, I feel like this hair color and this makeup look is kind of like just flow. Let me know how you feel about this look down below if you're feeling it, and if you do recreate this look, let me know down below. If you would love to recreate it, tag me, comment, and let me know if you want to recreate it. Tag me on Instagram and DM me pictures just in case I don't see the tag. I love to repost you guys' work because it means so much that you guys even take out the time to want to recreate it, and it shows that you guys really love my videos and watch me, so it means a lot. I appreciate all of you baby dolls for watching this video, and I'll see you baby dolls in my next video.